Did you know the food you eat today could have a lasting impact on your health? Imagine if there was a way to protect your body from one of the world's deadliest diseases with something as simple as your daily meals. What if your daily diet could actually help reduce your risk of cancer? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the powerful world of antioxidants. Stay tuned as we explore how the right foods, packed with antioxidants, could play a major role in reducing your risk of cancer. From berries to leafy greens, nuts to spices, these powerful foods not only taste amazing, but could be your best defense against cancer. Let's dive into how antioxidants work, which foods you need to be eating, and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet for a healthier tomorrow. What are antioxidants? Alright, let's talk about antioxidants. So, what exactly are they and why are they so important? Antioxidants are naturally occurring compounds found in certain foods that protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. They're like tiny little troublemakers that can damage your cells, cause inflammation, and increase the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. But here's the good news. Antioxidants, which are found in many fruits and vegetables, act like superheroes. They fight off free radicals and protect your body from their damaging effects. How antioxidants can help prevent cancer. Here's the key connection. Cancer starts when free radicals damage your DNA. It can lead to mutations that cause abnormal cell growth. This is one of the first steps in the development of cancer. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants protect your DNA, prevent cellular mutations, and help lower the likelihood of cancerous growths. But that's not all. Antioxidants can also slow the growth of cancer cells, enhance the body's ability to fight cancer. In fact, some studies show that antioxidant-rich diets can play a key role in reducing the risk of various types of cancer, including breast, lung, and prostate cancer, etc. These are the most common cancer names. The link between diet and cancer research has shown that the food we eat can have a huge impact on our cancer risk. A diet rich in antioxidants, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can significantly lower the chances of developing cancer. The right foods can not only protect your cells, but can also boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and enhance your body's natural defenses. What are the best foods to fight off cancer and boost your antioxidant intake? Let's take a look at the top antioxidant-rich foods. Number 1. Berries. First up, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are among the richest sources of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been shown to have powerful anti-cancer effects. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, both of which are important in preventing cancer development. Number 2. Leafy greens. Next, we will discuss some vegetables therein. We have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These veggies are packed with nutrients like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lutein, which are all potent antioxidants. Number 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts deserve a special mention. They contain a compound called sulforaphane, which has been linked to a reduction in cancer cell growth. The sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant that can help fight cancer cell growth and promote detoxification. Eating these veggies regularly has been linked to a reduced risk of cancers like lung, colorectal, and breast cancer. Number 4. Nuts and seeds are not only a great source of healthy fats but also antioxidants like vitamin E. which help protect your cells from oxidative damage. Walnuts and almonds, in particular, are fantastic for reducing cancer risk. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. I have created a full 10 minutes video on chia seeds benefits. The title of the video is 10 Surprising Health Benefits of Chia Seeds You Didn't Know. The link found in the description below. Number 5. Tomatoes, red vegetables and fruits, especially when cooked, are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Lycopene is also found in red peppers, watermelon, and pink grapefruit. So keep these red fruits and vegetables on your plate for maximum protection. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer in particular. So, use of tomatoes and red fruits are very beneficial to relief in prostate cancer. Number 6. Spices. Last but definitely not least, we have spices like turmeric and ginger. Turmeric contains curcumin. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its ability to block cancer cell growth and reduce inflammation. Number 1. Start your day with a smoothie. Add a handful of spinach or kale, mixed berries, a tablespoon of flax seeds, and a splash of almond milk. Blend it all up, and you've got a quick, nutrient-packed breakfast full of antioxidants. Number 2. Add leafy greens to every meal. You can add leafy greens to or lunch or dinner. Toss some kale into a salad. Saute spinach with garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. Number 3. Snack on nuts and seeds. Snack on a handful of almonds or walnuts, or sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt or smoothie bowls. It's a quick and healthy way to add antioxidants to your day. Number 4. Spice up your dishes with turmeric and ginger. Add turmeric to soups, curries, or even smoothies, and use ginger in stir-fry teas or baked goods. So there you have it, foods high in antioxidants that can help reduce your cancer risk. Remember, your health is in your hands. Start eating these foods today and give your body the tools it needs to fight back against cancer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down